Welcome back to Distantly Together, a video series hosted by the Miami University Art Museum. My name is Bob Wicks. This installment introduces an uptown mural celebrating Oxford, Ohio's role in 1964's Freedom Summer. Across the street from the Oxford Community Arts Center, facing uptown, is an empty lot. On the side of the building nearby is a large mural featuring a station wagon, a map of Oxford, Ohio, and Philadelphia, Mississippi in the background. The mural was conceived by Talawanda High School student and Girl Scout Ella Cope. Support came from the E.W. Smith Family Charitable Trust and the Oxford Public Arts Commission. It was designed and painted by artist Joe Prescher and installed on June 14, 2019. Look closer and you'll find some key images from the civil rights history of our town. The station wagon rides on railroad tracks, a reminder that Oxford, Ohio participated in the Underground Railroad. John Jones, together with his father, helped escaped slaves find refuge in northern cities. Peter Bruner escaped enslavement to join the Union Army during the Civil War. The 54th Massachusetts Volunteer Infantry, one of the first African-American Civil War regiments, was well known for its bravery. One member became the first black recipient of a Medal of Honor. The Perry Gibson case of 1887 made it possible for Oxford's children, quote, without distinction on account of race or color, unquote, to enjoy the benefits of an integrated public school education. The station wagon is the one James Chaney, Andrew Goodman, and Michael Schwerner drove to Mississippi to investigate a church burning. They were civil rights workers who participated in Freedom Summer training at the Western College for Women in the summer of 1964. Organizers of the training included CORE, the Council on Racial Equality, SNCC, the Student Nonviolent Coordinating Committee, the NAACP, National Association for the Advancement of Colored People. Goodman, Chaney, and Schwerner were murdered by the Ku Klux Klan in Mississippi. An amphitheater-shaped memorial on Miami's western campus commemorates the sacrifice of their lives for racial equality in the United States. If there are other examples of public art you'd like to have covered in this series, just let me know. Above all, keep safe and stay healthy.